We all began as taxonomists, by giving names to creatures that we discovered. Taxonomy helps us to understand the evolutionary history of life on this planet, and the role of different creatures in the biosphere. The deep sea is the largest, darkest and most remote space on our planet. Its mysterious species, surely never before seen by human eyes, pose immense challenges to taxonomists. Responsible for sampling, classifying and describing these species. The work of ISA and its contractors, together with taxonomists, sheds light on this dark space, making taxonomic knowledge accessible to all of us, thereby helping us to understand deep-sea ecosystem and biodiversity, the fundamental knowledge we need for the benefit of humanity.